Hi, welcome to my second video. This is Food Science 101 at UIUC, the science of food, and again, my name is FSHN. So today we're going to be talking about 5 scientific concepts, this being the Maillard reaction, caramelization, enzymatic browning, microbial activity in eggs, specifically targeting raw cookie dough, and finally fermentation. So for the Maillard reaction, what is it? It is a form of browning that occurs in foods when proteins and or amino acids chemically react with carbohydrates. This usually occurs around the 140 to 165 degrees Celsius, and this elevates the taste, aromas, and appearance of foods. Examples that you can find are the steaks that are cooked, the different tones and colors in the beer that you drink, and even to coffee bean roasts. The second scientific concept is caramelization, and similar to the Maillard reaction, it is also a form of browning in foods. However, it is strictly for sugars. It breaks down sucrose into glucose and fructose, and the formation causes a distinct sugary and basically a sugary aroma and sugary flavor. The third is also a form of browning. However, this one involves enzymatic activity. This is enzymatic browning, and it is a oxidation reaction that takes place mostly in fruits and vegetables. The resulting browning usually produces a negative effect on color, taste, and the nutritional value. However, in the exception of tea leaves, where it actually promotes the flavor of the teas. This process is strictly monitored and controlled for tea leaves and the enzymatic browning of tea leaves. The fourth scientific concept is microbial activity in eggs. Salmonella can be found in some eggs, and it can be found inside and outside of the egg, and can enter through the egg through the pores of the shells. It is found in the hen's ovaries, and it can enter the egg before the formation of the eggshell, and salmonella can be found in 1 in every 20,000 eggs. So why talk about raw cookie dough then? Well, raw cookie dough made from unpasteurized eggs contains salmonella and other bacteria, and this may cause illness. Finally, the last scientific concept we are going to talk about is fermentation. It is a metabolic process that produces chemical changes in organic substrates through enzymatic activity. And though it may sound bad, it actually promotes the nutritional values of foods and enriches certain nutrients inside the foods. It also kills off E. coli bacteria, making it safer to eat raw. Another benefit would be for preservation, where it actually prolongs the shelf life of the food. That is everything for this video, and thank you for listening.